Atorie Clothing is one of those newer online fashion stores that's been popping up frequently on social media, often advertising stylish, minimalist pieces at heavily discounted prices. At first glance, the website looks professional, with high-quality product photos, sleek designs, and enticing deals that make it seem like a trendy, affordable fashion destination. However, after digging deeper into Atorie Clothing's reputation, a number of red flags begin to appear that potential buyers should know about before placing an order. For starters, there's very limited information about the company's background. No clear business registration, no detailed About Us section, and no physical address that verifies where they operate from. Most legitimate clothing brands are transparent about their operations, while scam or dropshipping sites often hide behind vague or missing company details. Customer feedback online is mixed to negative, with several users claiming issues such as delayed shipping, poor fabric quality, and difficulty obtaining refunds or contacting customer service. Some have also mentioned that the items they received looked very different from the product photos advertised on the website. Furthermore, the site uses aggressive sales tactics like limited stock or ending soon banners, which are commonly used by low-trust online shops to push impulse buys. While it's possible that Atorie Clothing fulfills some orders and sends actual items, the lack of transparency, inconsistent product quality, and unreliable support make it hard to consider it a fully legitimate business. In short, Atorie Clothing doesn't appear to be an outright scam in the sense of taking money without delivering anything, but it does carry a high risk for shoppers. If you're considering purchasing, it's wise to proceed with caution. Use payment methods that offer buyer protection, avoid large orders, and look for verified reviews or customer photos before committing to a purchase.